Okay, I'm here with Tom Sardou, proprietor of Rose Garden Bowl here in Bergen, and we're getting ready for another season at his 8-lane bowling center. Now, Tom, why don't you tell us what your league lineup looks like this year, and any other things that you like to tell the people as we start up another bowling season?
Well, it's looking good. We have Monday night ladies, and we're always looking for a couple people there. Tuesday morning girls, we like to do that. We give them coffee and we have snacks. And then Wednesday night we have the men's league, and that's going really, really good. That's full. Thursday night is full, but that's a men's league also. Fridays we're trying to get a no-tap league going. And Saturdays are mixed leagues. They're every other week. They're looking really good. One's full, one's looking for some people. Basically, it's looking like a nice season, and hopefully we get some new people in. We have a junior program that runs at 11:30 on Saturday mornings, and that runs for the length of the bowling season. And we're always looking for kids. Got to have those boys and girls out there doing something other than sitting on their telephone. So let's try to get them out here and do some bowling. Other than that, lanes are in great shape. Scores could be really good this year. Machines are done by a mechanic I have, and they hardly ever break down. There's hardly any kind of issues. The balls, if anything happens to the balls, I do my own repair right here at Rose Garden, and I have equipment that you can use or purchase. And food is excellent. We have great chicken wings, Friday night fish fries, prime rib, steaks, seafood, cold beer. It's all good. So come on out if you get the chance and visit us at Rose Garden Bowl. It's not that far. I mean, we're at the end of Monroe County, we're at the end of Genesee County, but in essence, it's really not that far to get to us. Find us on Facebook and or my website, which is rosegardenbowl.com. Okay, thank you.
Very good. Well, you pride yourself on family fun. You have a lot of open bowling as well, right?
We do. And we're doing Friday night open bowling right now until we get a league started. If that doesn't happen, it'll be just open bowling. And Saturdays during the day, all week long from 11:30 in the morning right straight through to 6 o'clock before our league start. There's a few spots during the week that we have leagues, but all you do is just call for lane availability, and we'll get you fixed up and ready to rock and roll.
Part of the procedure is to have the lanes inspected every year. I hear you did very well as far as your inspection.
I did, Mike. I have, out of 100%, I scored a 99.3. And I mean, if you look at them, they're beautiful wood lanes, and it's so nice to bowl on wood lanes. People miss it, and because of the sound of the ball hitting the lane, and comparative to speaking, it was the tink sound or the wood sound, which is solid. So yeah, come on out and check them out. They're really nice.